respected teacher and all my dear friends. First of all, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, sir.
I, Sonal from Proud 7C, here for mastering the concept, and I am going to teach you chapter number 3 of science, fiber to fabric. Chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Do you know, friends, what is fiber and what is fabric?
No, friend.
Okay, I tell you what is fiber. Fiber is a strand, and from these strands we make fabric, or we can say fabric is also a cloth. Now we will learn about two types of fibers. There are two types of fibers. First is animal fiber and second is plant fiber. First is animal fiber and second is plant fiber. The fibers that we obtain from plants are called plant fibers like cotton, jute, etc. And the fibers that we obtain from animals are called animal fibers like wool and silk. Now, example of animal fiber, silk and wool, and example of plant fibers, cotton and jute. Now we will learn two process. First is how we extract wool from sheep, and second is life cycle of silkworm. First is extraction of wool from sheep. In this, first step is shearing. What is first step?
Shearing.
Yes, first step is shearing. First step is shearing. What is shearing process? In this process, the fleece from the sheep body is removed, and this process is shearing. See, like this is a sheep, and we remove the fleece from the sheep body. Then this process is shearing. Next process is scouring. What is next process?
Scouring.
Yes, in this scouring process, the removed fleece is then washed into tanks to remove the dust particles, grease, dirt, etc. What is scouring process? In this process, the fleece is removed from the sheep and then it is washed into tanks to remove dust particles. Next process is sorting. In this process, the fleece is then sorted into parts on the basis of their texture, color and shapes. Next process is dyeing. What is next process?
Dyeing.
Yes, in this process the fleece is then colored into their desired color because natural fibers are only of black, brown and grey color. Next process is carding. What is next process?
Carding.
Yes, in this carding process, then the dyed fiber is then carded and combed into machine. After that, next process is spinning. Now the wool leaf of mulberry leaves. On the mulberry leaves, it will lay many eggs. See, these are eggs. After about 20 days, these eggs will hatch into larvae. They will hatch into larvae. Yes, they will hatch into larvae. After that, about 6 weeks, they will feed on mulberry leaves and grow into the size and go into next stage, that is pupa. That is pupa. Yes. Now we will learn about what is pupa. Pupa is a while swinging its head into the form of letter A, pupa will release a wet sticky substance that contains proteins. After that, cocoon. Then this protein, when comes in the contact of air, it will become hard, and that covering is called cocoon. After that, we have to take our silk fiber from the cocoon. So we will put these cocoons balls into the sunlight, or we will boil them. After that, we will get our silk fiber. This is how we get silk fiber from a silk moth. I hope you will understand this. Thank you and have a nice day.